Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm bringing you a spec comparison between the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime and the new Samsung Galaxy J7 Star. Let's put them side by side and see which one has the better specs. Jumping right in, so I want to make a quick point. So there are different variations of the J7 Prime. The specific version that we're comparing is the black J7 Prime that is carried at Metro PCS. It is a 32 gig model. There was a previous model, J7 Prime, that was a 16 gig that was in gold. So I just wanted to make that clarification because there are different variations of this phone. Let's jump in and let's get started. So software wise, the J7 Star is now upgraded to the new Oreo software, so it does take the spot in terms of having a newer version of the software. In terms of screen, they both have the same size screen, 5.5 inches, and they're both an HD TFT display, so no change there. This is a big change area, which is the J7 Star does have a 13 megapixel front camera and 13 megapixel rear, which is awesome. Is a huge jump from 5 on the front, 8 on the rear for the J7 Prime. So this probably is the most standout feature in terms of what has changed from the Prime to the Star. Memory wise, they both have 32 gigs. However, the J7 Prime did have 25 gigs available for the user, and in case you're not familiar with what that means, every phone advertises a amount of storage. For example, this phone advertises 32 gigs. However, once you subtract all the software from the manufacturer and preloaded apps, you actually get access to 25 gigs. And on the new J7 Star, you actually get even less. You only get 22.8 gigs, which is basically you get 9 less gigs because of all that is pre-installed on the phone. So it's important to note when you're going from one phone to the other, because sometimes certain things are not created equal. In this case, you actually start off with less storage than previously on the J7 Prime. For that reason, the J7 Prime technically would take this category because it does have a hair more memory for you to start with. Battery wise, they're both going to have the same size, 3300 milliamp, and they're both removable batteries, so that's a plus. Processor wise, you are getting a faster processor on the J7 Prime, 22 gigahertz octa-core versus a 1.6 gigahertz octa-core on the J7 Star. Sorry, kind of a tongue twister. RAM is going to be the same. They both have 2 gigs. And in terms of the extras, there's not a ton. They're both going to have the ultra power saving mode, but the J7 Star, I felt the need to reiterate that the front camera is a 13 megapixel. I think that does sort of count as an extra, as well as you are getting the Bixby Vision feature. So in the camera, you can tap on the Bixby button and you can scan pictures of things, and you can basically like look for like where you can buy it. And you can also get other cool information as well. So Bixby, you get the voice assistant as well as some of the cool camera smart AI features that come with that as well. So anyway guys, this has been our spec comparison between the J7 Prime and J7 Star, so you can kind of see what has changed and decide, is this worth the upgrade for you or not? In the comment section down below, let us know if you feel like it's a big enough change, and if you're going to be making that jump, or if you're going to hang on to your J7 Prime. Hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.